I got the small chickens.
Yes, you did. Not. These are the biggest dang chickens I've ever seen. These mini turkeys.
Look at those guys. What a hoss.
Almost a 6-pounder. All right, well, let's just jump into it. If you can't tell what we're doing, it's chicken day around here.
Don't you just love chicken juice?
I hate chicken juice. I hate chicken juice. But do you know, it's recommended by the FDA that when you mess with chicken like this, a lot of people think you're supposed to rinse it off. And that's 100% what you're not supposed to do. And the reasoning behind that is when you rinse it off, it starts splashing all over your sink. That's how salmonella gets to growing. That's how people get sick. So don't wash your chicken. Instead, cook it right. Because if you cook it right, outside of I forgot the thing that used to kill people back in the day, sausage makers, boy, they had to come apart on them a long time ago. These are gonna be good chickens. We even got a little of the banquet beer.
Pinky out. Fancy.
Ugh, hate that. All right, you want to get these rubbed and get them on?
Let's do it.
All right. We're gonna be using a little parquet, a little magic blue butter. Don't be scared of it. Rub it all on there. You know what I thought about using? Mustard. You see people, people put mustard on all the briskets and the butts and all that. I wonder if it'd probably be pretty good on chicken too. A little mustard chicken.
Mad scientist.
Some sweet honey mustard chicken. Yeah.
Honey mustard butt plug chickens.
Yeah. Man, boy, these are nice ones. Oh, you didn't get the rub, did you?
Pause.
Pause.
Shoot bay's on the other
Where is Shoot
the
Bay?
other location.
He's got a customer up front. Can you open that for me?
All right.
It's hard to keep a dirty hand and a clean hand and a dirty hand when you're messing with these chickens. So, safety first. Make sure you change them gloves. All right, here we go. Let's rub them down. Don't be scared either, man. And quit putting in you use too much rub. Quit crying. Come on, man. There's a lot of meat right here. We gotta get her seasoned right. Get under there. It's like deodorant for them. SPG. Don't be scared. Oh yeah, they like that. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, dude. I'm telling you. Was it 9:30, 9:45? Boy, that brings back memories.
That banquet boy.
Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, so what a lot of people don't know, I'm starting to see these pop up all over the internet. This is the OG, the original wedged fire basket right there. That was the first one. That was the one that started the revolution. There it is. You saw it here first at Kosmos Q. Oh, that's hot. We started it with our royal oak lump charcoal. We are running pecan sticks. This is all center cut wood, just so you know. Shouldn't have any bark on it. This is the hard wood of the pecan tree, which is the center. 12 inch, or actually they say 11 inch, but they're 11 to 12 inch sticks that we sell here at the storefront. But you guys use whatever, you know, whatever you have. But you know, if you're looking for them, we do sell them here. So we got the chicken rolling. We're going to be running it about 300 degrees. We got 4 of them in there. And what I'm looking for is 165 in the breast. Now, you got to be careful here, because when you poke that thigh, you're going to want to look at that. You also want to check it in the thigh. But when you poke it, the liquid that comes out, you got to make sure it's clear. You have to make sure it's clear, because that's how people get sick. And if you don't know how to cook chicken, consult your local and state, residential, government, FDA,
Your HOA, you know.
But we're gonna run these till they hit 165. We're gonna pull them out, let them rest. I am personally not a fan of, you know, cutting the chicken up. I like to, this is just me. You do what you wanna do. I like to pull all the chicken off the bone and then pan it up, and then I'll re-rub it, kind of like pulled pork, but pulled chicken, and then serve it that way. But you do what you like. That's just what I like.
Think about but touching my chicken.
Woo!
Uh-oh, starting to lean on us.
Man, we should get a probe in one.
Say,
Yes.
what do you
take a
think?
guess. I'm gonna go in the breast.
I'm thinking I'm gonna bet 145.
145?
Yeah. What do you think?
I'm gonna say 132. Ready?
Go for it.
Oh,
Oh,
dang, you was close, dude.
pretty close.
You was real close, man.
What do I win?
Chicken, pulled chicken.
Bunch of pulled chicken.
Hey, you can get yourself some bread. You can even make a sandwich.
I may need to do that. That's a good idea.
All right.
Woo!
So here's what I do. So I know it's 165 in the breast now. Now I'm gonna stick it in that thigh meat, which is right behind that leg. Looky there, 156. Don't fall for it. That's why it's so hard to smoke chicken, because the breast is always gonna get done before the thigh. Just is what it is. We should have injected these. Injected the breast. Random as chicken
With
soak.
both, you inject with both hands like that?
Yeah.
Wow. You're like the Mike Tyson of injecting
Oh
chicken.
yeah, 100. It's funny you say that. I've been told that probably 5 or 6 times. I don't know. I don't know where it comes from.
Something about it.
But anywho,
We wait.
9 more degrees. Safety first. So guys, if you like chicken, 100% try this recipe. It's all down in the descriptions. And hey, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, we got a giveaway. Get signed up. Click the link down below in the description. Go over there, get signed up. You never know. You could win all this stuff too. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Oh my God. That's so cool.